Hello guys, good evening. How are you all today? How is your holiday anyway? My holiday is okay. I won't encounter problem today. Thanks God. I feel good. Anyway, before I go to sleep, I just want to say have a good night sleep everyone, and see you tomorrow. Good night and sweet dreams. How many days I'm not doing video in the evening because I've been busy lately, and when I finish my work I am so tired already. I prefer to sleep rest early. But now I want to before I go to sleep, I want to exercise a little bit so that my, especially my hand, every night or in early morning, my hand, I feel numb. Need to move my body so that the blood will circulate properly. I exercise a little bit. Anyway guys, I miss you all, and before I go to sleep, I just want to say have a good night sleep everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Sweet dreams. Sleep well. Sleep tight. I'm feeling cold, that's why I need to put this. Although I already have pajama inside, I'm feeling cold. The cold is going to my, I feel like going to my brain. Bye guys, I miss you all and I love you all. Bye bye everyone. Bye.